Hello and welcome to Shoppable. My name is Chris and I'm a product manager here at Shoppable. Today I'm going to demo for you on how to set up Shoppable Ad Experience, an experience where you can have interactable built-in checkout all streamlined on your advertisements. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the Find Products screen so we can begin adding our products that we wish to have available on our advertisement. So we're just going to go to Products and go to Find Products. Okay, so this is the Find Products screen. And on the Find Products screen, this is where you can locate the available products from your merchant list. Now, again, when you are creating an account with us with Shoppable, you are given an account, and attached to your account is a token, and on that token is all the merchants that you have available, so you can have all their products to have available for your advertisement or for other products that we have, as in Shoppable Instant Shop or Shoppable DTC Lite V5. But we're just going to go ahead and begin finding our products. Either you can enter a keyword or a UPC. And for this demonstration, we actually had Mars Wrigley. Thank you again for this. They have given us UPCs so we can emulate a real advertisement when we go ahead and create our ad. So I'm just going to copy 2 UPCs from Mars Wrigley. It's going to be a very small ad, but it is just a demonstration, of course. So let's just go ahead and add those UPCs. Okay, submit. Okay, great. So now you see that 2 of them showed up, but that's okay. They are the same. They're just from different retailers. One is from Rite Aid and one is from Walgreens. We're just going to go ahead and add both so we can have that multi-retailer experience with our advertisement. Let's just go ahead and add the product. Great. And now we're going to enter another UPC. So let's just paste that UPC here and click submit. Okay, and now 3 of them showed up. And once again, these are the same. They're just from different retailers. One from Rite Aid, one from Walgreens, and one from CVS. So we're just going to select all and add them to our products. Now again, that doesn't mean that all of them are going to show up at once. They're going to show up as one, but they're just from different retailers. So we can have that multiple retailer checkout. Okay, so now we're going to go into Shoppable Ad Experience where we can begin creating our advertisement. So let's just go ahead and go to Shoppable Ad Experience. Okay, so this is Shoppable Ad Experience, and from here, this is where you can actually begin creating your advertisement. How exciting. So let's just go ahead and create a new ad, and we're going to call it Snickers ad, since we are going to be replicating a Snickers ad. And there it is, our Snickers ad. Now we could publish it as is, but that's not exactly the best idea, as we have a template available, and it wouldn't look right if you didn't actually have your products and branding on there. So we're just going to go ahead and click edit to begin editing our advertisement. Okay, so this is the edit screen, or as we like to call it at Shoppable, the ad builder screen. And from here, what you could do here is you can begin making changes to the branding that appears on your ad, as well as add the products that you wish to have on your ad. And we are now going to begin with the header section. Watch check, not a real company, not a real product, but it is here for a template. So we're just going to go ahead and change the logo that appears in the header. And we're going to, since this is a Snickers ad, add a nice little Snickers logo. Great. And now we're going to make changes to the tagline that appears. Once again, thank you to Mars Wrigley for giving us products as well as content. So we're just going to go ahead and paste that in there. You could also change the color of the font for the tagline. Currently it is black. We're just going to copy exactly how they have it on their end. So we could change it to 255, 255, 255. You can enter that here. You can also take color off of a page if you'd like to. It's very customizable in that aspect. But we're just going to go ahead and type in 255, 5, and 255. going to be a little bit off white. Great. The world's best selling candy bar. And now we're going to change the background color that appears. This is just for the header. So let's just go ahead and we're matching the Snickers, of course. So you have 6, 9, 2, 4, and 8. Oops. 2, 4, 8. Great. And now we're going to click apply, and the changes that we made here are going to appear in the preview section. So let's just go ahead and click apply. Ta-da! There it is, our header of our Snickers ad. So now we're going to move on to the hero content, or the content that appears right underneath the header section. So let's just go ahead and go into our hero content. Okay, great. So let's just go ahead and make changes to the hero content, or this content that appears here. You can either have an image here or embed a video. For our example today, we are going to use an image, but you can certainly go ahead and embed a video if you would like to. That is also an option. And we're going to use this nice little hero image. Great. And now we're going to change the headline. Currently it says, let them watch. Very clever. But we're just going to do, not you when you're hungry. Again, we're just replicating the Snickers ad, but you can go ahead and type whatever you'd like into there, as long as if you are meeting our constraints, of course. We're going to put in a body copy, or the content that appears right underneath the headline. Great. And now we're going to do a call to action. Right now it says shop the collection. We're just going to do grab a Snickers. I could use one right now myself. Okay, great. So we're just going to click apply, and the changes we just made here are going to appear on the screen. All right, looking good. There it is. It's amazing how quick you can make changes to your ad. It's truly incredible. We're just going to go ahead and go into the products section now, and this is where you can actually begin adding the products that we added before onto our ad. Okay, and now we are in the products section. So we're going to now go into all of your products, and here they are, both of our products that we added earlier. It's going to click, click, and you could press apply. But before I do that, I just want to change the shop button color. Now, that may not make sense, what is a shop button color, but it's just basically where you press buy now on the products. And again, we're just going to match the Snickers colors as well. 252, I should memorize these by now. 252, 175, 75. It was, I believe, 22. Great. Okay, and we're going to click apply, and we're going to see our shop button color as well as our products on our screen. So let's just click apply. Okay, and here it is, our products. And this is, see, that's all that it was, our shop now button. All of our buttons are now matching the color that we had. So that looks great. We're just going to go into the footer section. And again, this is the section at the bottom of the screen. You could change the background color as well as the font color, but we're actually just going to keep it as we did for the header. But instead, just to show the functionality, just going to take it off of the screen right here. Great. And again, for the white, it already is on 255, 255. So we're just going to click apply, and then the changes here, of course, will come up at the bottom for your footer. And there it is. Look at that. How quick was that? I mean, maybe that was 5 minutes at most to create your advertisement. Of course, we're not done yet, but essentially the whole design and our products are there already. So that's really incredible. We're going to go into our checkout options. And this is where you can add a Remind Me Later button. Currently, we just have a Checkout Now button, but a Remind Me Later button will allow the consumer to enter their email, and they will receive an email about their items in their cart. Maybe they don't want to check out at that current moment. They want to come back to it. So we're going to have this enabled. I'm going to click Apply. Ta-da! And there it is, our Remind Me Later button. So now our final section, our tracking events section. In this section, this is where you can add your third-party tags to track your ads. And currently we have Google Analytics UA tag, Twitter Pixel Tracking ID, Facebook Tracking ID, Pinterest Conversion Tag ID, and Snapchat Pixel. Don't have any right now, but we're just going to do the final thing, and that is to press save. Okay, great. So after you save, you can go ahead and leave the page. But now what we're going to do is, once we leave the page, we're going to be sent back to our ad experience page where we can publish our ad, which is amazing because that only took us a little bit amount of time. So let's just go ahead and leave the page. All right, folks, so here we are back at the Shoppable Ad Experience screen. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to publish our ad. Let's just go ahead and go into drafts. And it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Great. So now we have our ad published. Wow, that's incredible. So what we're going to do now is we're going to see a live view of our ad, as well as go through the checkout process for our ad. So let's just go ahead and copy this. I'm going to meet you on the other side on a new tab. Okay, and here it is, our Snickers advertisement. I mean, it's truly incredible how quick and how powerful the Shoppable Ad Experience product is. Of course, all of our products here at Shoppable are very powerful, but specifically this one in particular, it's amazing how quick you can create an ad and add your products and set it all up. It's truly incredible, but enough about that. Let's just go ahead and go into the shop now and begin adding our products to our bag and then beginning the checkout process. So let's just go ahead and shop now. And we're going to up the quantity a little bit because Halloween is coming up. So we want to have those candies ready for the kids who are coming for trick-or-treating, or adults. Doesn't matter. We're just going to go ahead and add another quantity here. We'll do 9 and add to bag. Great. And currently they are both available at Rite Aid, but I just wanted to show you, again, this is a multi-retailer experience. You can also change it to Walgreens as well, but it seems like they already paired us with the best deal with Rite Aid. So we're just going to go ahead and check out what, yeah, you can see there's a big price there, big price difference. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and check out with these items. Great. And I'm going to do a little bit of fast forwarding here, going through the checkout process, but all I'm doing is entering my email address, my shipping information, and then I'm going to do a pause here in the payment information section because I want to point out something, and then we'll go into the checkout. And of course, just wanted to point out, the reason why we collect email addresses is so that the advertiser can capture first-party data through order conversion through the campaign. So let's just go ahead and fast forward a little bit. Okay, so we are now in the payment method screen, and I just wanted to point out our test credit card. I'm sure you'll hear hundreds of times, but you can use our test credit card to do a test on your advertisement. And that number is 4, and then followed by a bunch of 1s. In terms of the CVV code and the expiration, you can customize that as you want, but I just want to point out that this is our test card if you want to go ahead and test your advertisement. Okay, I will continue the fast forwarding. Okay, great. So we are now in the order summary screen. Of course, if you would like, you can also remind me later. Maybe this is not the time to buy Halloween candy. Maybe it's too early. But you could enter your email, and then a notification will be sent to the email address with the cart and the information like that. But just wanted to point that out as well. But we're just going to go ahead and place order. Okay, great. Our order has been placed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the email confirmation of our items as well as other information like that. So let's just go ahead and do a jump cut to my email. Okay, great. So this is the confirmation email that I have received. And once again, what's so special about this? Well, look, I know it may not be the most exciting stuff, but this is actually our header logo that was added to our ad. So it was placed dynamically with our email. So it's incredible. We were able to have our branded email already set up for our customers, which is also very incredible. And yeah, just basic information. The retailer with Rite Aid, that was from shipped to us. Again, our billing, shipping, and our products as well. So we're just going to go back into Shoppable Ad Experience just to show you a few more things, and then we can wrap things up. Okay, so I just wanted to take a step back and show you the mobile version of the shop that we have just created. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the checkout process through here. Once again, we're just going to add items to our bag. We'll do 5 here. Great. Okay, we're going to close that out. We're also going to add a few on this other item. Just add 6. Perfect. You can also do the multi-retailer experience here. You can change your retailer. Okay, but we're just going to click checkout on the bottom right. Great. And now here is where we enter our shipping information and our payment information as we did before. Also, you can do the remind me later, which we talked about before, in that you can get an email to return to your cart. We're just going to go ahead and go through the checkout process. So we'll do a little bit of fast forwarding here. Okay, now we're going to enter our card number. And again, you can use it for testing, our 411 number. Just going to go ahead and keep fast forwarding here. Okay, great. So now we're just going to check out and place our order. Okay, wonderful. Our order has been placed. Shortly, I will be receiving my confirmation email. But now that that is over with and I've shown you the mobile view, let's go ahead and go back into Shoppable Ad Experience so we can finish off the rest of the demo. Okay, so welcome back to Shoppable Ad Experience, the campaign screen. I'm just going to show you a few more features and then we're just going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So I'm just going to show you the process of unpublishing an ad. It's very simple. You just click unpublish and then that goes back into our drafts. So it's really quick to publish and unpublish ads. So that's really cool. What you can also do is delete your ad or duplicate your ad. And you may be asking, what's the purpose of duplicating your ad? Well, quite simply, we want to do A/B testing. Maybe we want to make some changes. Maybe we want to show something else. What is better for our consumers? What is bringing more completion rates? So that would be a reason for duplicating your ad. So you can go ahead and rename it. We'll just do Snickers 2. Oh, sorry about that. Can't add certain characters. Do Snickers 2. Perfect. So there it is, Snickers 2. And again, you can go in and edit that and publish that as well. Depending on how you set it up with us, you can have a certain amount of ads that you could publish at once. You can request more ads on our side if you need more ads, and message us if you need any additional message, and we can go ahead and try to set you up with more ads. But currently we only configured 1 on this account. But that's okay. I just wanted to show that you could do that. But you can also delete your ads. So I'm just going to go ahead and show that. Delete ad. And bye-bye. Your ad is gone. Okay, and that wraps up our demos for today. I mean, that was really quick. I was expecting this demo to be a lot longer, but of course, the Shoppable Ad Experience product is so powerful that it doesn't even take that much time. So, but on a serious note, thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. I really do hope that it helped you out. Again, if you have any questions, you can contact us, or you can go to our FAQ page at ask.shoppable.com if you have any questions about our product, or any of our products in that matter. Thank you again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.